Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites so you avoid errors later. Install the Mistral OCR SDK, or CLI, and ensure Python 3. 10 Plus or Node 18 Plus is active. Next, fetch your API key and export it as Mistral API KEY so commands authenticate automatically. Once done, prepare source files, clean scans at about 300 dpi, crop margins, and use PNG/JPG/PDF. Doing this up front reduces noise and improves accuracy, which speeds the rest of the workflow. You now run the recognition step and tune outputs for your use case. Use Mistral OCR Recognize or the SDK client. Recognize, image path, and set language plus the model variant for faster or more accurate inference. Then adjust page segmentation and a confidence threshold so you filter low-quality tokens. This helps downstream parsing. Choose output format, raw text for quick reads, JSON with bounding boxes for structured parsing, or searchable PDF for archiving. Make sure encoding is UTF-8 to preserve characters. You finish by cleaning and integrating recognized text so it becomes usable data. Post-process with simple normalization, trim whitespace, fix encoding, apply regex or an NLP pipeline to extract entities and tables. Export to CSV or JSON, then push to your database or search index and validate a sample set. If results look wrong, try one troubleshooting step. Rerun with higher DPI, a different model variant, or preprocess images for contrast and deskew. These quick changes often resolve common OCR failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.